Hi Trader, Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. We're going to roll along. December 3rd, 2019 is almost over. But before we do that, before we jump into a recap of the overall market in similar fashion, I would like to welcome you. So if this is your very first time tuning into a ShortMeTina video, or if you are returning, I want to say welcome and welcome back respectively. Do me a solid, do us a solid, comment in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up and ensure that you're subscribed if you have not already done so. Anyway, so what went on today in the market? Let's jump into, again, a recap of the overall market right now. What you see on your screen is the SPY rather, daily chart dating back to 2017, all right? So we had a bit of a gap down today, right? What happened? I believe Trump stated today that he was actually okay waiting for a trade deal with China. Market didn't like that. We had this gap down, went to a low of around 307.13 in the early mornings, and I believe we rallied for the most part all day. Let's zoom into the hourly to check it out. Reset that chart. You can see it right here. We had that little bit of a gap down, a sell-off, but then we had some buyers step in and we drove the price of this SPY ETF up. I want to say for the majority of the day, with the exception of the first hour of trading. So based on this candle here, it looks like the market actually wants to potentially rally. There's a gap here to be filled of around, there's a gap here to be filled of around 311.48. So expect, possibly based on what I'm seeing now, a rally into tomorrow. All right, so let's go back to the daily. What do we have here? Back in the daily, all right, again, closed at 309.51. That potential gap around 311, not too far off of all-time highs. If we rally tomorrow, I suspect we're going to retest these highs of around 315.48 and potentially go on to hit that sort of roadblock or trajectory I've been talking about, that price target of around 328 to 330. Still more upside here. What else? IWM, similar story, right? We had that bit of a sell-off in the early hour of the trading day, going as low as 158.10 to finally rally to close at 159.68. Let's zoom into the hourly to see what happened there. Hopefully I'll stop getting text messages. Anyway, you can see it here, bit of a gap down. First hour of trading, look, confirming volume. You can see the selling, but since then, it was nothing but an uphill. Closed at 159.70, and like I indicated before, for me, let's switch back to the daily. For me, the IWM actually looks relatively strong. I said as long as it can stay around that 158, 159 mark, for me, it looks relatively bullish here. So again, if we can stay above or stay within the vicinity of 160, I can see us retesting all-time highs of around 173. We might get that quote-unquote Santa Claus rally. What else? All right, and so let's remain consistent. We've done a recap on ticker ASLN for the past 2 trading days. Let's make it 3. Third time is a charm, right? Well, actually, yesterday was the charm because I indicated, and you can listen to that video, that based on trading activity yesterday, based on how the stock closed, I was expecting a pullback today, and that's exactly what happened. We pulled back to the tune of around 49%, north of 50% on the day, to close at 262 with confirming volume. If you're not sure, again, if I didn't say it, this ticker that I'm analyzing is ticker ASLN, and it is a daily chart. You can see that gap down here again, off north of 50% on the day to close at 262. What did we clock that low in? The low clocked in at 261, and like I always say, you want to pay attention to how the stock opens up, how it closes, and the low of the day. These are all, in my opinion, a lot of data you can use to inform your trading. So what do I think about ticker ASLN heading into tomorrow? Well, obviously, you want to pay attention to how the stock opens up. If it opens up below 262, and there's a possibility that that actually might happen, then look out. There might be more selling pressure, and especially considering we closed at session lows, right, or close to session lows. Session lows clocked in at around 261. So right now, based on what I'm seeing, not bullish heading into tomorrow's trading session with ticker ASLN, and we are going to wrap it up there. All right, that's it. Tina here, once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of this video, I'd like for you to do 3 things for me. 1, comment in the comment section. What did you think about my analysis? 2, I do videos daily. Make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. And lastly, I've been trading for a long time, over 15 years, closer to 20. So if you think you can learn anything from me, definitely take a trip on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. I will talk to you tomorrow.